Once upon a time, in a lush green valley, there lived a beautiful world of birds. Every morning, as the first rays of the sun peeked over the mountains, the birds would begin their day with joyful songs. They danced in the air with colorful butterflies, turning the silent forest into a melody of life. In that valley lived a little baby sparrow who was still learning how to fly. He often hid under his mother's wings, watching other birds soar high, and thought, "I wish I could fly across the wide sky like them." But fear always stopped him from leaving his nest. One day, a strong wind blew across the valley. The nest shook, and the little sparrow was about to fall when his mother called out, "Be brave! Open your wings and make the wind your friend." Trembling, the little bird stretched out his wings, and suddenly he was flying with the wind. For the very first time, he touched the sky and felt that freedom was the greatest happiness of all. The other birds cheered and welcomed him into their flock with joyful songs.